and that correlates again. Music correlates with linguistics, language and human interpersonal communication, where phrasing is just the way where we pause between the sentence, like where there's a pause. We pause between the sentence. That has to do with the whole phonological features of linguistics. Two key areas in linguistics: phonetics and phonology. Study sound, different variations of sound. Right. And where you pause between the sentence, cadence, modulation, the rise and fall. So my point is contemplating phrasing in music, soloing, how phrasing and phrasing metaphorically in art. Phrasing which corresponds with perspective and proportion, which is a whole different discussion. My point for mentioning this is what popped up in my head was, and it's such an incongruity, which is the movie Beautiful Mind. What's the actor name? Professor John Nash in the movie. What's the actor's